Okay, we're back. So, paano natin ito sasagutan? I've already returned your exercise, your answers. Pakicheck na lang sa inyong mga Google Classroom. So, let's try to answer this. Bakit yung iba may score, yung iba wala? Okay. May mga hindi nagsagot. Try pa rin. Walang problema kung mali. Actually, ngayon, time nyo para makapag-practice. Okay? So please try to submit also kahit na sa palagay nyo hindi nyo makuha, okay pa lang 'yon. Basta mag-practice lang na mag-practice. Okay, let's have this. So paano to karamihan nagkamali lang dito sa sign na to. Ito this -1 here. Remember the derivative of -2x ay -2. So yun ang karamihan sa nagkamali. Okay? So yun ang naging karamihang problema. For the second problem, okay, so most of you use the logarithm, okay, the laws of logarithm, which is okay lang din. Ito yung ginamit ko. So I use this process, but we'll have the same result, which is -19 over 5x plus 2 times 3 minus 2x, or that will be -10x squared. Ano ba to? -10x squared minus 11x plus 6. Okay. Now let's have the next theorems. Unless you still have question, guys.
Sir, sa ano po, sa final answer po, pwede pong ganyan na or kapag nagpa-quiz po kayo, i-simplify pa po yung nasa denominator.
Actually, if it's factored form, that's di ba sa algebra nyo, that's a simpler form. Di ba? So you can leave your answers in a factored form. But take note that it should be factored, ha? Okay ba?
Opo, sir.
Kasi
Thank you.
minsan pag hindi siya tulad nitong yung ano saan na ba yun? Nasaan yung natin? Wala na siya. Okay, where are you? Okay. Notice, ito, is this factored? This one. Itong part na to. May multiplication
Hindi po.
yan. May multiplication yan. Is this in factored form?
No, sir.
Hindi, di ba? Kasi meron tayong difference dito.
Meron po.
Actually, this is a difference. This is not factored. Right? Pero ito, factored dito kasi ang main operation na dito is multiplication.
Positive.
Okay? So, ganun. Okay po ba?
Opo, sir. Thank you po.
Okay, so let's
Sir, pwede po
continue.
pakibalik po sa number.
Ano po?
Pwede po pakibalik po sa number 1. Screenshot ko lang po.
Okay. Pwede mo namang tinan to sa recording. Pero sige.
Okay na po, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. So, let's proceed with the next theorem. Nasaan na siya? Where na you? There. Okay. So, ito yung kanina. So, theorem number 11 is the generalized power formula wherein what if your base is not anymore x? Diba yung rule number 2 natin kanina, yung base natin ay x. What if yung base natin is an expression in terms of x? Kalimitan ito, ang ang tawag nila dito chain rule. Pero ang chain rule kasi it is based on the composite function. Hindi lang siya based on the power formula. This is also a chain rule, part of chain rule ito. Same thing with this. Okay, isa mga example ng chain rule to. This is also another chain rule wherein it involves power formula. Okay, kaya tawag namin dito is generalized power formula. So what we do is, ganun pa rin, we perform the power formula rule, bring down the exponent, tapos subtrakan natin sa exponent ng 1, copy yung base, but we have to multiply with the derivative of that base. Okay, so du over dx. Malinaw po ba? So example
Yes
tayo
po,
dito
sir.
sa rule number 11. So let's have a very simple one. Where are my examples? Okay. Mhm. Dahil sa hindi ko siya mahanap, let's have a different example. Kunwari, I have, anong number na ba yun? Anyway, number 1 na nga lang ulit tayo. Let's have, kunwari sa, okay, kunwari, y is square root of 1 minus 4x, for example. Okay, so how do we get the derivative of this? So notice, yung ating function, pwede natin siyang isulat as an exponent form. We have 1 minus 4x raised to 1 half. Tama ba?
Opo.
Yes po, sir.
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes po. Ano yun? Sino nag-excuse?
Wala po.
Wala ba? Guni-guni ko lang yun. Okay. So to get the derivative of this, so magiging ang u natin dito ay yung 1 minus 4x. So if we let u to be 1 minus 4x, and then we get u prime, this will be negative 4. So if I get y prime, what happened? So n, parang u to the n ulit yan. So ang n natin ay 1 half. And then we copy the base. 1 half minus 1, so this will be negative 1 half, times the derivative of u, which is u prime, multiply lang natin ito ng negative 4. So your y prime here will be, okay, so pwede natin itong simplify as negative 2. Okay? So negative 2, tapos ilagay natin ito sa baba. That would be square root of 1 minus 4x. Okay? Question? Tandaan na pag negative yung exponent, ilalagay lang natin sa baba para maging positive yung exponent.
Sir, paano po ulit nangyari yung negative 1 half?
Negative 1 half. Diba yung ating n ay 1 half? Subtract natin sa 1 half. So parang ito yung 1 half minus 1.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Okay? So we just subtract by 1. 1 half minus 1 is negative 1 half. Okay? Question?
Wala naman po, sir.
Okay, tuloy na natin. Let's have another one. Okay, let's have, gawin natin medyo masaya ng konti. Mukhang naboboring na kayo sa mga example ko eh. Let's have z equals, e to the x plus ln x raised to 5. And then let's place a square root here. Okay lang ba sa inyo to? Minus x cubed. Okay lang ba sa inyo yan? O medyo harsh?
Harsh na harsh.
Medyo okay na harsh po.
Medyo okay na harsh. Okay, sige.
Okay naman po, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
kakayanin po para sa inyo.
Wow.
Ano? Ano yun?
Sir, bawal na po ulitin, sir.
Sige, okay na yan. Magawa na lang tayo ulit mamaya. Na-excite lang ako ng konti. So, ang z prime natin dito, hinga malalim. So, ang nasa labas natin may square root, di ba? So, that would be parang raised to 1 half yan, di ba? So, ilalagay ko dito si 1 half. Okay? Tapos, kukopyahin ko lahat yung nasa loob ng aking 1 half. So, e to the x plus ln x raised to 5. Okay, lagyan natin. And then minus x cubed. Tapos 1 half minus 1 half. So magkakaroon tayo ng negative 1 half dito. Right? Tapos i-multiply natin yung derivative nung nasa loob. Derivative naman ito. So, ito, ang derivative nito, ilagay natin si n ulit, tapos e to the x, plus, nawala si plus ln x raised to 5 to, di ba? So, 5 minus 1, so magiging 4. Tapos, i-multiply na naman natin derivative nito. Ang derivative ni e to the x, so that would still be e to the x. Derivative ni ln x ay 1 over x. Okay, minus derivative nitong pangalawa. So that would be 3x squared. And then we're done. Okay, exhale. May baho.
Sorry, sir.
Umabot dito. Ano ba yan? Okay, malinaw?
Opo.
Okay, isa
Opo,
pa.
sir.
Opo, sir.
Sir, final answer na po ba yan?
Hindi
Ah.
pa.
Hindi pa. Simplify pa natin yan. Pero wag na. Wala na space. Okay,
Ay,
Okay, where is that? Okay, let's have one more. Gusto niyo pa ba o ayaw niyo na? Isa pa?
sige po.
Okay, isa pa. Let's have number 3. Ay, ganun. Ayaw magsulat ng aking nangyari. Ay, nasa border na pala ako ng aking okay, number 3. Ay, magsulat. Number 3. So, let's have f of x natin ay ano gusto niyo? Harsh pa o harsher or slight lang?
Harsherest po. Very slight.
Harsher.
Medyo harsh na. Medyo hindi.
Medyo harsh pa. Okay, so let's have
Opo.
a mhm. Okay, pwede na yan siguro. Medyo slight harsh lang. So, paano natin kukunin? Lagyan natin dito ng 3. Ayan. So, e raised to the cube root of 1 minus 3 ln x. So, paano natin kunin yung derivative niyan? So, if you get the derivative of that, f prime of x, so, ano yung derivative ng e to the u? So, kukopyahin lang natin si e to the u, di ba? So, e to the u ay e to the kopya natin si cube root of 1 minus 3 ln x times, okay, so multiply natin si derivative ni exponent. So, ang exponent natin ay 1/3 1 minus 3 ln x raised to 1/3 minus 1, that would be negative 2/3. Okay, multiplied with the derivative pa nito, di ba? Derivative nito ay negative 3 over x, di ba? And then we're done. Question?
Tapos na po.
Oo, pwede na
Yeah.
kayo huminga. Simplify pa natin. Madali-dali ito i-simplify. Ito may 3 dito. Nakita akong 3. Pwede natin simplify yan. So this will be, tapos ito lagay natin sa denominator. So e to the cube root of 1 minus 3 ln x all over x. And then ito ay cube root ni 1 minus 3 ln x na wala si L. A raised to 2. Yan. Ay, may negative pa pala na wala si negative. Ay, yung negative. Yung negative na to. Okay, careful tayo dyan. Okay. Question?
Sir, saan po lang galing yung x sa umpisa ng yung nasa denominator po?
Itong x na to. Kahit galit na galit tayo sa mga ex natin, dapat huwag natin kakalimutan yan.
Opo. Tas po yung yung squared po, squared.
Yung raised to 2 po, sir, saan galing?
Yung alin?
Raised to 2 po.
Ito, yung ating negative 2/3, di ba? Pag may negative na exponent, ilalagay natin sa baba. Ito ang magiging exponent niya ay 2/3. Di ba? Kapag meron tayong exponent na 2/3, kunwari x to the 2/3, pwede na rin siya isulat as cube root of x squared. Diba? Yung ating x to the, kunwari m over n, ito ay the nth root of x to the m.
Okay po.
Okay po.
Okay. May tanong pa ba?
Wala na po.
Okay, so kung wala na, so medyo okay pa ba? Kaya pa? Meron pa tayong isa pang theorem. But before that, kayo naman. You try. Okay, I'll be placing an exercise, and then dating gawi, you'll answer it in your G classroom and submit it for maybe nung minuto, mga a few minutes. See, 10 minutes ulit.
Sir, gawin niyo po 15 naman.
Sige, 15. Sige. Madali akong kausap. Okay. Nasaan na ba yun? Ayan. Ito. Okay. Yung number 2 and number 3. Okay? Guys?
Okay po.
Okay, number 2 and number 3 lang ha. Baka ma-excite kayo, sagutan nyo lahat. Pero okay lang din naman. Kaya nyo namang sagutan pala lahat yan. Sige, number 2 and 3 na lang para focus ko yung aking chichikan. So again, number 2 and number 3. $15 minutes, so we'll have to have it at 7:23. Okay, so I've already readied the submission bin, so pwede na kayo mag-submit doon sa inyong G classroom.